Welcome to the world of React. React is a popular JavaScript library used to build a modern and dynamic user interface. Whether you are creating a web or mobile app, React simplifies the development and the process of a very powerful features. One of the React key strengths is a component-based architecture. Think of component as reusable building block, each representing a piece of user interface. This makes managing a complex UI a breeze and allows developers to break down a large projects into smaller manageable pieces. React is a declarative. This means you define how the UI should look at different states, and React handles the rest as data changes. And React automatically update the UI, keep everything in sync. React also uses a virtual DOM, a virtual representation of actual DOM. Instead of rendering the entire page, React efficiently updates only the part of changes. This led to faster performance and a smoother user experience. One of the unique features of React is JSX, a syntax extension that lets you to write HTML-like code inside JavaScript. JSX makes it easier to visualize and create user interface, combining the best of both worlds. Another important concept in React is unidirectional data flow. Data flows in one direction from a parent to child. This structure makes debugging easier and ensures that your data and your application's logic remains predictable. With React, you can also use hooks, a feature that allows a functional component to use a state and lifecycle method. This makes it easier to write a clean function code without needing to rely on a class-based components. React is often used to build a single page application or SPA. These apps load a single HTML page and dynamically update the content as per the user interacts, creating a fast and seamless experience. Beyond its core features, React boasts a rich ecosystem of libraries and tools, including popular ones like Redux for state management and React routers for navigation. React also benefits from a large active community with contribution from developers worldwide and backed by Facebook. React continues to improve, offering long-term supports and new features. And if you are interested in mobile development, there are a React Native, a framework based on React that allows you to build a mobile application for iOS and Android using the same principles. So whether you are building a web or mobile app, React offers a powerful, flexible and efficient way to create a dynamic user interface ready to dive in. Start building your React application from today. Thank you so much for watching this video completely. फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.